CorpBiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching CorpBiz. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding the payment bank license. First of all, we'll talk what is payment bank license, what are the qualifying promoters who can obtain the payment bank license, what is the document procedure, and what is the whole registration procedure. We'll discuss about all the things in this video. So let's begin. Payment bank license. The Reserve Bank of India has introduced the concept of a specialized bank model in 2013 known as payment bank, which is similar to the services provided by the other bank, but in case of payment bank, it renders a range of financial services with the exception of facilitating loan and issuing credit cards. The Reserve Bank of India issues the license to organization for carrying out the business of banking as per Section 22 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. The main objective to introduce such type of bank is to reach the payment facility to the lower income group individual and for the small business. The first payment bank established in India is Bharti Airtel. So, for setting up the business for the payment bank, one needs to acquire the payment bank license for running the business of payment bank. Qualifying promoters who can get a payment bank license. RBI has defined a long list of qualifying players for the payment bank license as it requires a minimum of 100 crore as the paid-up capital. So, who are the qualifying players? We will discuss one by one. The promoters who qualify for the payment bank license procedure include existing non-bank prepaid payment instrument issuer authorized under the Payment and Settlement Act 2007, individual and professionals, NBFCs, corporate business correspondent, mobile telephone companies, supermarket chain, public companies, real sector cooperatives, public sector entities, and promoters or group of promoters having joint venture with the existing scheduled commercial bank. So if you are going to obtain the payment bank license, there are certain activities that has been permitted by a payment bank, which are as follows. Acceptance of demand draft to the maximum of rupees 1 lakh per customer, issuance of debit cards, payment and remittance services, distribution of financial products such as mutual fund and insurance, issuance of prepaid payment instrument, internet banking services, acting as a business correspondent of another bank, and utility bill payment on behalf of the customers. So let's discuss regarding the requisite document that are most important thing at the time of submission of your application form when you are moving for the registration procedure, which are as follows. Documents required for the information of the individual promoter. Name of the promoter, date of birth, residential status, parent's name, PAN card number, branch and bank account detail including their credit facility, experience of individual promoter, areas of expertise, track record of business and financial worth. Documents required for the information of entity promoting the bank, shareholder pattern of the promoter entity, memorandum and article of association, financial statement of past 5 years of the promoter entity, and income tax return for the last 3 years. Document required for the information of individual and entities in the promoter group. Names of individual and entities, details of shareholding, detail of management, pictorial, organogram, total asset of entities, annual report of previous 5 years of group of entities, detail of listing in stock exchange, PAN card number, TAN card, CIN number, and bank account and the branch details. So after covering the document part, we will discuss now regarding the registration procedure for obtaining the payment bank license. For that, as per the banking regulation, the applicant has to fill the form 3rd under Rule 11 for the payment bank license. That application will be sent to the Chief General Manager of the Department of Banking Regulation of RBI. Then eligibility will be checked of the applicant, means that he has fulfilled all the eligibility criteria. Then the external advisory committee will scrutinize the application. Our team is there in the external advisory committee which will scrutinize, which will verify your application form and the documents which you have provided. If everything goes well, then the in principle approval is provided to you. After obtaining the in principle approval, you have the validity of 18-month period through which you can start your business. So I hope you get all the information regarding the payment bank license. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.